In the world of road construction, safety isn't just a guideline, it's a lifeline. Every worker treads a fine line between routine and risk, and it's the adherence to safety measures that makes all the difference. Here are 5 essential tips to keep road construction workers out of harm's way. Donning high-visibility clothing isn't a fashion statement. It's a shield against the bustling traffic and heavy machinery that could otherwise spell disaster. Bright, reflective gear ensures you're seen, significantly slashing the odds of accidents. Remember, the right clothing isn't just recommended, it's required. Barricades, cones, and signs aren't just decorations. They're your first line of defense. These traffic control devices are silent sentinels that guide drivers safely around your workspace. Strategic placement in accordance with traffic control plans is your playbook for prevention. From hard hats to safety goggles, each piece of gear you wear is a testament to your commitment to safety. Coupled with rigorous training for machinery and hazardous materials, this gear forms an armor that guards against the unforeseen. A construction zone thrives on clear communication. Whether it's through radios, hand signals, or a simple shout, staying connected with your team is a non-negotiable necessity. It's the clarity of your calls that can avert a crisis. Lastly, never lose sight of your surroundings. Vigilance is your best friend in a landscape where vehicles and equipment are in constant motion. By keeping a watchful eye and maintaining a safe distance, you ensure that the only thing moving forward is the project itself. In conclusion, embracing these safety tips is not just about following rules. It's about forging a safer tomorrow for everyone on the road. Stay alert, stay visible, and stay safe.